And hello guys, this is my second video on my YouTube, and thanks a lot to watch my first video. And now we're talking about IoT Shine. How good is this, and what I think is more on I think you need decline. Let's find out. Alright. Okay, Takamura. Oh, I think I think he good at dodging because if defense is low, kinda low. It's more on dashing. Alright, okay. Yes, a new. I think not. Yeah. But I don't know what is that called. Alright, respect. Alright, I think he dodges after. Oh, alright. Okay. He get away after he attacks. Okay. Just say that. Into the treasure. Alright. Nah, you're not, bro. I don't think so. You're dodging my M2. I know what are you doing now. I just adapting them. And he's gonna whoop. After he M2, he go light. That's so simple, bro. Ooh. It's alright. Let's get this serious. I know how he moves. First things first, when you're using any stance, you're gonna read your opponent in the first round. how he often moves, especially in this kind of situation. Okay, okay. Let's get away after a heavy attack. Na, I think you know how I move. Okay. I'm gonna speed it up. Okay, hindi siya nagkaroon. Alright. Because he's low mana, we just heavy them. Just heavy him. No bro, nah. You need to earn what you really need now. Not just beg, bro. I think he's good at dashing, but come on, bro. No, bro. Wait. As you can see, I'm lagi to 100 ms. 100 ms. What the hell? Right there. You know how to move. How do you move, bro? This is your end, bro. GG's. Alright, I think that's all. The context is simple in this video. Good game, bro. Still a good game. What the hell is talking about? What the? Alright, I think that's all. Thank you guys.